So we have a Honda Accord EX 2005. We have the check engine light on. Because I'm gonna get this reader here. I'm gonna put a link in the description. We're gonna connect this guy on the OBD2 port. You turn the key, don't start the car, just enough like this. So codes found 10141. I'm gonna show you where that sensor is and how we're gonna fix it. So this is the new sensor. You gotta be sure that the cover is here. The connector is closer to the cover, to the grommet that goes under the car. Alright, so coming from the front of the car, this is the exhaust, and then you keep going, catalytic converter, and you see right here. Got this tool. There is a O2 sensor too, but I got this tool here. I had this for a bicycle. It's pretty hard because of the catalytic converter, so once you attach it properly, using a wrench, you loosen it. All of there. This doesn't hang. The last one right there. So with that, we got a little screwdriver and it goes in. So under the passenger seat on the back, you gotta pull the cover we have in there and the carpet, and then you can see here the O2 sensor that came from the bottom of the car, and the connector is very hidden there. Old one is out, and the only thing you see that's not here are those little kind of support here. It's make it a little thicker so it clicks on those clamps. This looks like it's on the right spot. People complain about this a lot. I'm gonna put the link of this one in the description. Now for the new one, I'm gonna connect this. And one more thing, be sure to push this all the way down because you don't want water getting under your car. So before I route anything, I'm gonna get the O2 sensor, and so I'm gonna twist the other way. So we twist all the cable, put in there, and then twist the right way. One more thing, you don't want to tighten a lot, so just tighten a little bit, and it's good to go. Reroute everything, and if there is any extra wire, I wanted the wire to be here. Click in there, clear code, all done. It's gone. So that's it, guys. This is not my car, it's a friend's car, and she just asked me if I could look into it, and I thought it would be a fun video for everybody else, so I got it. Anyway, I hope this helps you, and if it does, leave a thumbs up. If it doesn't, leave a thumbs up. If you hate me, leave a thumbs up, and if you love me, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe if you can. I'll see you on the next video.